Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni. Let's look at today's top news. NMC extends deadline for public input on National Exit Test Regulations 2023. The NMC has extended the deadline for submitting feedback on the NMC National Exit Test Regulations by 10 days. Initially, that was set for submission by 7th of February. Stakeholders can now provide their comments until 17th of February. The extension comes following recommendations from a committee appointed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to access the implementation of the next exam. Stakeholders are urged to utilize the provided feedback form to share their opinions and suggestions. The debate surrounding the next exam has sparked uncertainty within the medical community. While NMC had previously announced the next regulations and plans to conduct the exam for the 2019 MBBS batch, it was postponed indefinitely. Opposition arose from students and doctors who argued that conducting the exam for the 2019 batch would violate the NMC Act 2019 as the batch commenced before the Act's publication. NMC issues stern warning to medical colleges over forcing PG Medicos into hostel stay. In a recent notice, the NMC issued a stern warning to medical colleges regarding hostel accommodation for PG medical students. The warning comes in response to numerous complaints received by the NMC alleging that medical institutions are forcing PG medical students to stay in hostels and charging exorbitant fees for accommodation. The notice highlights that medical colleges found compelling PG medicos to stay in institution-provided hostels and imposing hefty charges will face penalties under Regulations 9.1 and 9.2 of the PGMER 2023. Penalties may include monetary fines, reduction of seats, or suspension of admissions. The NMC underscores that according to Regulation 5.6 of the PGMER, providing residential accommodation to PG students is mandatory for colleges. However, it is not mandatory for students to stay in these hostels. Notably, the previous PGMER 2000 did not mandate hostel accommodation provision by colleges. Doctor dismissed for pre-wedding photoshoot in government hospital operating room. Karnataka Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao took decisive action on Friday by terminating a doctor from service after discovering that the doctor had conducted his pre-wedding photoshoot inside an operation theatre at a government hospital in Chitradurga district. Expressing his stern stance on the matter, he also emphasized that government hospitals are established to serve the public, not for personal engagements. I will not tolerate such disregard for discipline. He also further underscored the importance of adhering to guidelines, stating that all doctors, staff, and contract employees must fulfill their duties in accordance with established protocols. I have already instructed the relevant doctors and authorities to refrain from misusing government hospital premises. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.